Hi boys and girls, we are working on lesson 14 problem set. So we're going to work through numbers 1A through D and number 2 together today. Number 1 says, draw a number bond for each fractional unit. Partition the fraction strip to show the unit fractions of the number bond. Use the fraction strip to help you label the fractions on the number line. Be sure to label the fractions at 0 and 1. So here we're sort of transitioning from using those fraction strips to looking at fractions on a number line. So let's do some blue ink. So the first one they show you is halves. So the number bond is 1 whole. We can divide 1 whole into 1/2 plus another half. So letter A, we're going to just divide our fraction strip in half, and then we're going to label this. That would be 0 halves, 1/2, 2 halves. That's how we would, it's just like counting. We're counting by fractions on the number line. I want to go down to letter C, and we're going to do fourths. So let's divide our fraction strip into fourths. And when we're dividing into an even number like that, I always like to divide it in the middle and then make the other lines on the side. So here we're going to have 0 fourths, 1/4, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, and 4 fourths. And you want to make sure that you label all of those, okay? Next, letter D is fifths. So got to kind of eyeball this, fifths. So we're making 4 lines, okay? And we're going to, oh, what did Mrs. Goshard forget to do? Did anybody notice? I forgot the number bond. Let's go back to letter C and make our number bond. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths that need to go in our number bond. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. If you caught that, yay for you. All right, so we're at fifths now. So we have 0 fifths, 1/5, 2 fifths. I know this is a lot of writing, but that's good practice for us. 4 fifths and 5 fifths. And our number bond is going, how many fifths do we need to make a whole? 5. So 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and 1/5. There we go. I want you to now go back and do letter B on your own and come on back when you're finished to check your work. Don't forget your number bond. Welcome back. Check your work for letter B. Hopefully you got your number bond with 3/3 going around it, and then you labeled your number line properly. So take a moment and check that. Now let's go over to number 2. Number 2 says, Trevor needs to let his puppy outside every quarter, 1/4 hour to potty train him. Draw and label a number line from 0 hours to 1 hour to show every 1/4 hour. Include 0 fourths and 4 fourths hour. Label 0 hours and 1 hour too. So there's quite a bit here we need to do. So let's take a look at this. So we're drawing a number line. So I'm going to make my number line. Of course, this is going to be 0, and this is going to be 1. Now, this is 1 hour, and this is 0 hours. And now it's telling us we're dividing it into fourths, quarter hours, fourths. So we're going to divide it into 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Now I'm going to go back and reread this question to make sure I didn't miss anything. So it says, Trevor needs to let his puppy outside every quarter hour to potty train him. A quarter hour is 1/4. Draw and label a number line from 0 hours to 1 hour to show every 1/4 hour. So I started at 0. Oh, I forgot to label 0/4. Good thing I checked my work. So I have 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Include 0/4 and 4/4 hour. I did that. And label 0 hours and 1 hour too. And I did that. 0 hours, 1 hour. So I did everything the problem asked me to do. It's always a good idea to go back and check what you need to do in the problem. So you guys are going to be moving on to do some homework problems, and we'll be doing some of the problem solving together in one of our live sessions.